guys! Welcome to Baguio Museum. So, papasok tayo ngayon dahil may time. Saman natin si pamangkin para i-check kung ano daw ang makikita dyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, merong lady, mami siya, pero bawal siyang i-picture syempre. Okay? So, check natin kung pwede natin i-video later. So, as you can see, the entrance pa lang meron nang nakatayo na. Tawag sa kanya, dinlate din. The commemorative flag from the ambassador of US Embassy in Manila. And yan ang mga backpack. Oh, there's an entrance fee of 100 pesos. Yeah. You're in high school, you're 60 pesos. Yan. No, it's okay. Yan. So let's start from the great misconceptions are debunked. People used to think egrets have tails. Ayun yung nakasulat, diba? Yan. Let's hear is a Peros nga ba? Do we have? I don't think so. It's a traditional attire. Ayan, no, diba? Egrets ay dog part of their daily food. Daily food hindi naman. Pag may lang, time lang. Ayan. There are also some concepts of diba? Cute, marunong art. First part.